you read the title. First thing I'm gonna say is these things are hot. But not like that. What I mean by that is wearing them is like wearing a cap. They're gonna keep you warm. So if you're not used to wearing big headphones, it may take some time getting used to. Second thing is, you're not gonna be wearing them for forever. They're not the most comfortable. I can wear them for 3-4 hours at most before my ears start hurting because they press on my ears from the inside. Third thing is, since they are studio monitor headphones, they may be lacking bass. This of course depends on your taste, but if you're used to your headphones giving you the punch, this may not be the right choice. Used to. Next thing is they're pretty chunky and they're not gonna be your everyday carry. You can't really go with this to the gym because they're bulky, they get sweaty very fast, and they don't really fit perfectly. But this of course depends on your ears and your head. And last but definitely not the least is you're gonna need a good audio output to make the most out of these headphones. For example, they sound completely different when I plug them into my laptop, which has a cheap and weak audio output, and when I plug them into my LG G6, which is a phone that has a built-in hi-fi quad DAC. And if you're not familiar, a DAC is a digital to analog converter, which is basically a thing that makes your headphones sound better. Here, take a listen and judge for yourself. That's all from me. Links for the headphones will be in the description below.